Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to enjoy a discount or different types of exciting deals and offers on Canva print, then this video is for you. So we are going to give you 3 websites that can provide you some important coupon codes that actually works for you. Now, first one is canva.coupon.today. This coupon.today will help you to get the various type of coupons. So here you can find that automatically apply all Canva codes at checkout with one click. You can click on this view code and it will give you all the codes. So you can simply click on add to Chrome, so it will add the extension, so it can actually generate all the code and add it one by one to get and check which one works for you. Or otherwise, if you want to add manually, then you can simply click on view code and you can find this code revealed here. Simply click on copy to copy this code and paste it in the redeem section. Now you can also see it will redirect you to the Canva, and here is another one, the second one, where you can also find some exciting deals and coupons here. So this is actually the updated coupon codes for Canva print. So you can simply click on get deals button and it won't provide you the code, it will actually embed it the affiliate or the promo link or URL with this button. So you can simply click on go to store and you can find the promotional page where you can actually get the print custom invitation. Here it is, that invitation section where you can design and print invitation. Here you can print the invitation from here, so just like this. And the third one is the coupon follow, where you can also find some updated coupon code according to every days. And here you can see Canva promo code get 20% off any order. So you can simply click on show coupon code, so reveal the code. Now simply click on copy and click on redeem at Canva. You can actually redeem it in your Canva platform, or you can give the also the feedback if it's working or not. So that's how we can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.